Mad Cat, I have a surprise for you. A little treat. Dr. Doomcough, you have the shrinking ray gun ready?
All is in readiness, Dr. Claw. Observe a simple demonstration.
Good. Now use it on Gadget. I want him in a cage before the day is over.
All right.
Wow!
Excellent, Capman. That's what I call a strike. It's my top-secret gadget phone. Inspector Gadget here. Right. Chief, are you around? In here, Gadget. Here, your secret instructions. Suspect mad plot at eccentric invention convention. Hurry to convention and investigate. This message will self-destruct. Got it, Chief. Oh. Sorry we have to cut this game short, kids. I've got a special assignment. Come along, Capman.
We better follow them, Brain. Looks like trouble.
A very interesting convention.
Any one of these inventors could be a mad agent, Brain. Stay close to Uncle Gadget while I check around.
The great Inspector Gadget. I am honored that you would look at my humble invention.
Very interesting. Just what do all these things do?
That one turns all the lights out within 3 blocks.
And what does this do?
That one freezes things. I think you'll enjoy this one. Allow me to demonstrate.
Gladly, Mr.
Professor Doomcough's the name. This is my atomic battery charger. Should do wonders for your gadgets, Inspector.
Well, how does it work?
Just push the button there.
Aha!
Beat it, robot!
3 more treatments left.
My battery shows no charge. Back to the drawing board, Professor. It does seem to have stretched my clothes a bit. When we get home, I have to get this outfit altered.
Curses! He left before I could give him the other 3 treatments.
Oh, Brain! What happened to you? What? The professor? Professor Doomcough shot Uncle Gadget with a reducing ray? Come on, no time.
So much for the false tip on mad agents. That convention is as safe as the gadget ban. Let's go home.
help Uncle Gadget before he disappears.
Yes? Yes? Now!
This car is sure acting funny.
Hold still, Gadget! Oh!
Aha! I have the emergency brake on. No wonder it's been acting strange.
Brain, you keep an eye on Uncle Gadget. I'm going to Professor Doomkoff's lab and find an antidote.
I'll shoot him when he comes out.
Now for a change of clothes.
Coming right up, Inspector. Take your pick, my inspector.
Yes, but first, a nap. I don't remember this bed being this large. Oh, well.
Sleep tight.
3 more and you're ready for the mouse cage. Two to go.
Brain, come in, Brain. What's going on? The professor shrunk Uncle Gadget even smaller? Oh, no! The antidote must be here somewhere.
Oh, no! I shrank. I've got to get back to my lab and get the antidote.
That's it. The antidote's in the safe. Now to find the combination.
So, I have company. Well, whoever it is, my shrinking ray gun, it's gone. I must have lost it at Gadget's house.
Wow, that was close. Come in, Brain. Professor Doomkoff dropped his ray gun in the yard. Find it and hide it.
That mud is more trouble than he's worth.
Hey, Brain!
It's some kid's toy gun. Must be some new gadget that makes them look smaller. Just trim this down to fit the great inspector.
A great nap. Yeah, back to action. Inspector Gadget is always on duty. Whoops. What? I must have been captured in my sleep and brought to this mad replica of my house. Wowzers. What a big gadget suit. Mad must be playing a dirty trick on me. Go, go, Gadget mini suit. Go, go, Gadget mini shoes and mini hat. Go, go, Gadget hand mirror. Yep, it's me. So it's got to be an oversized house. A dastardly mad plot.
Ah, the inspector must be taking a shower. Well, I'll just tidy up. Down to the laundry room with you.
Wow! Help! I'm in a giant mad suds machine. Help! Go, gadget hand.
They must have started that road construction again. I'm gonna have to complain about the noise. I wonder what's taking the inspector so long. I went through a lot of trouble to prepare these different sizes for his new gadget. Oh, Inspector!
Oh, gosh. What happened?
Inspector! Where are you?
Mad created a giant Catman robot.
Boy, this room is messy. I'll be darned. One of Penny's toys. It's the cleverest Inspector Gadget doll I've ever seen. Hey there now. You go back in Penny's dollhouse.
Let me out of here, you mad monster.
What a clever doll. Wait till I tell the inspector about this doll. Inspector Gadget! Hey, hold it! Take that dumb toy outside.
You, dog, give me that toy. Look what you've done! Wait!
Brain, come in, Brain. Can you hear me? I found the antidote. How'd you do?
Me? Oh, run.
Good. You've got the ray gun. I'll contact Chief Quimby and be right there.
What?
Brain! Enough is enough. Here, give me that silly toy.
Oh,
This is terrible. I'm not the man I used to be. I must get the ray gun back and return to the lab.
What's with Brain and these toys? Into Penny's dollhouse you go.
Wowzers! There's that giant robot again. Go, gadget.
Will you look at that little toy? I wouldn't mind one myself. You come back to Uncle Caveman, little gadget toy.
I must get my ray gun before I get stepped on by that clod of a cape man.
Wow. Go, gadget opera.
Whoa! I thought I told you to stay out of this house. Now get. Hey, wait! Hold it! Oh!
Wowzers! A giant brain robot.
Gadgets! This is too good to be true.
Wowzers! Wowzers, my car! At last, luck is on my side. Now to get out of this madhouse. Wowzers again! It's that robot! Wowzers! Oh, gosh!
I gotta get out of here. I'll use that toy and bid farewell to this place.
Oh, no. No. Right.
Oh, something's wrong with the car. I'd better check it out. Wowzers!
Right.
Brain? This time you've gone too far.
No.
It's probably broken anyhow.
Wowzers! What a cannon! Better report to the chief.
I'll tell the inspector about you later.
Brain! What happened?
How did I get to the city dump?
Man!
Hi, Penny. Welcome home.
No!
Wowzers! Go, gadget hands!
Uncle Gadget!
Wowzers! A huge penny robot.
I brought the antidote. Take this, Uncle Gadget.
Wop!
Gee, Bud, where have you been?
When did I get home from the junkyard?
Gadget, you... I'll get even next time.
Gadget,
Ah, Chief, good to see you.
Dr. Doomkoff's ray gun. How did you do it, Gadget?
It's a long story, Chief, but if you want, I know a way to make it a little shorter.
Gadget,
Chief, where are you?
to normal,
Chief!
you're fired.
Chief!